Have you ever wondered how long it takes Acorn to deposit your spare change into your investment account? It's a question that many Acorn users have, and it's one that we're going to answer today. Hook. Imagine you're saving up for a dream vacation, a new car, or even a down payment on a house. Every little bit counts, right? And Acorn is a great way to accumulate those small amounts over time. Building context. But what happens after you round up your purchases? How long does it take for that money to show up in your investment account? Let's dive in and find out. Main content. Understanding Acorn's deposit process. Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand how Acorn works. Essentially, it's a micro-investing app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. This means that your deposits are made in small increments. Factors affecting deposit speed. Several factors can influence how quickly your money is deposited into your Acorn account. Let's explore these factors in detail. Transaction type. Debit card purchases. These transactions are typically processed faster than credit card purchases. Credit card purchases. There might be a slight delay due to the authorization process involved with credit cards. Bank processing times. Your bank's processing speed can also play a role. Some banks are faster than others at processing transactions. Acorn system. Acorn's own system also has a part to play. While they strive for efficiency, there can occasionally be minor delays. Average deposit times. Based on user feedback and general experience, here's a breakdown of average deposit times. Debit card purchases, often deposited within a few business days. Credit card purchases can take up to a week, but typically less. Real-life examples. To give you a better idea, let's share some real-life examples from Acorn users. User 1, I usually see my rounded up money in my Acorn account within 2 to 3 days of making a purchase. User 2, I once had a credit card purchase that took a little longer, maybe 5 days, but that was an exception. Tips for faster deposits. If you want to speed up the deposit process, here are a few tips. Use your debit card. As we mentioned earlier, debit card transactions are generally faster. Check your bank's processing times. If you're concerned about delays, contact your bank to inquire about their processing speeds. Be patient. Remember that even if there's a slight delay, your money is safe and will eventually be deposited. Conclusion. So, how long does it take Acorn to deposit money? While there can be slight variations, you can generally expect your funds to be deposited within a few business days, often even sooner. It's important to note that Acorn is a great tool for saving small amounts over time. While there might be occasional delays, the benefits of micro-investing far outweigh the minor inconveniences. Call to action. If you're not already using Acorn, now is a great time to start. Download the app, link your bank account, and watch your savings grow. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.